Hi, welcome to Classic Car Cave. So we've had the Red Bull ring, we got round it safely. We did, we only got 3 actual races, if you want to call it a race, and one in the morning we got 1 practice session, and we split it into 2. There was a lot of accidents, a lot of cars spun off. I had a really close call with a Cobra, and he did a 180 in front of me. Luckily, and there was enough rumble strip and enough area to get off away from him. But at one point, he was actually, I was sitting in front of him. I was ready to T-bone him, and there was a lot of offs. Now, the car, I knew because of the ratio we got, the gear ratio. Paul specifically put a certain ratio on it for hill climbing, so for sprinting. So obviously, it's got no top end on it. I think it's a 4 point something diff instead of a 3, whatever. So we've got no top end on this because that was not what it was designed for. It wasn't designed for circuit racing. It was designed for doing hill climb, short, sharp shifts, but very quick acceleration, which it has. And on the corners, it was pissing over a lot of the stuff. But once you get onto the straight or a nice long bend or whatever, they were just getting past us. So it had no top end. But we did improve on the 60 people that were started, and there was no start and finish. There was no. But the timings have worked out just on each car, and we were 3rd last on the practice. By the time we'd got finished, we'd gone up to 9th place, not 9th, but 9th from last out of 61, so 50 odd cars. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the video. I've got a part 2 coming up on this, but it'll be mainly still photographs because there were so many beautiful cars there. I've got 180 odd different shots, and I'd like you to see them if you want to see them. In fact, please let me know if you would like to see them. They're still photographs, and we have a bit more footage as well, but if you'd like to see them, let me know. Anyway, enjoy the video.
Countdown, you're on. The mirror a little bit. A little bit down. Okay. A little bit.
the Self-Preservation Society. This is the Self-Preservation Society. Go wash your German veg, your boat rights too. Cut your bonnet fair, we got a lot to do. Put on your digger and your peck and ride, 'cause time to hurry and buy.
So, just had a bit of a scary moment there. Went through all this racing. Took it off the. We just put the ramps back. Took it off here.
Cups on the floor of me.
And the steering shaft come off. It actually snapped the roll pin at the bottom.
Yeah.
But at least it happened here. My God! Imagine if that had gone wrong on the track.
Yeah, that would have been interesting.
I couldn't believe it. It just come out of my hand. I thought, what the bleed?
Well, I was looking at it thinking, what you doing?
There you go.
What you doing?
How lucky though, yeah? Literally at home. As usual, we get to the end of this video. As usual, stay safe, keep the faith, enjoy your hobby.